In this video, we'll cover how to control the web relay from a device trigger via API call. First, log into the web relay web's interface using the credentials, which are both admin. Next, select the Relay tab. Navigate to HTTP API Quick Control. Select Momentary, which will keep the relay turned on for a set duration. Here it's set at 10 seconds, meaning the door will be left open for 10 seconds. To change the duration, simply change the S element to your desired time duration in seconds. Then copy the HTTP API Quick Control string. Next, navigate to the device's web interface. Select the Setting tab and select Action URL. Here, enable the Action URL checkbox. Then, paste the HTTP API Quick Control string into Relay A triggered text box. Before submitting, remember to change the IP address in HTTP API Quick Control string to the official IP address of the web relay. When complete, select Submit. We will now test the functionality. Back on the web relay's web interface, you can see that Relay 1 is currently turned on and will turn off after 10 seconds.
Welcome. Please come in.
Relay 1 is now officially turned off. For more information, please contact us.